Hello everyone, my name is Jahnavi and with my friend Yeji, I'm coming to talk on graphs. A graph. A graph has two perpendicular lines or axes labeled like number lines. It has four quadrants. This is an example of a graph. It has first quadrant which has positive x and positive y. The second quadrant has negative x and positive y. The third quadrant has negative x and negative y, and the fourth quadrant has positive x and negative y.
X-axis, y-axis, and the origin. X-axis. The x-axis is the horizontal axis on a graph. Y-axis. The y-axis is the vertical axis on a graph. Origin. The origin is the point where the x-axis and the y-axis intersect. It is also known as O. In this picture here, you can see that the horizontal axis is labeled as x-axis and the vertical axis is labeled as y-axis, and the point in the center is labeled as origin. Ordered pair. An ordered pair is a composition of the x-coordinate and the y-coordinate having two values written in a fixed order within parentheses. This picture is an example, and here the red colored numbers represents the value of x and the purple colored number represents the value of y. The value of x, which is 0, and the value of y, which is -2, together inside the parentheses forms an ordered pair.
Hint to know how the ordered pair are arranged. To know this, x comes before y in alphabetical order, and you need to walk to the elevator before you go up or down. So, table of values. A table of values is a list of numbers that are used to substitute one variable such as within an equation of a line and another function to find the value of the other variable or missing number. These are examples of table of values. This is a horizontal table and this is a vertical table. For example, I have these x values with me. I put them in a function and I get my y. So I can arrange this in my vertical table like this as well.
Graph of the table of values. The table of values we learned earlier can be represented in a graph. To do this, plot the points according to the value of x and the value of y, and just join the points with a line and you're done. Thank you for your attention.
Thank you everyone for your attention.